Hey guys, it's me Jake, and I'm in another video, and today I am back playing Bomb Survival with my friend Bridget.
Hi.
Bridget, say hi.
I already said hi. We'll have to say
She
it
doesn't
again.
listen to me.
I said it before you did that.
Yeah, she did.
By the way, when he spawns, I'm going to show you who I am.
Yeah. See, there she is.
No, that's not me. That's some random girl. I'm kidding. That's me.
No,
I was
that's
going to say this was me.
that is you.
This is me. I'm the wolf girl.
Okay.
By the way, my name is Lois Batter. Follow me. I might not accept because I don't know.
There's a round in progress, Bridget.
It's almost over,
Respect
Jacob.
the nature.
Wow, I'm dying.
You died. Died. Wait, how'd you die if you were in... I'm so confused. Instant...
It's not karma!
I was not going to say karma. I was going to say instant Fortnite, but whatever. Guys, sorry I haven't been posting any videos. I was making lots of Fortnite videos, but my camera did not film or did not post. So now we have to play Roblox and Minecraft.
What's so bad about
I don't know, actually, I like it. Fortnite added to the story on Instagram. I gotta see what it is.
that? Oh
Oh.
my god.
Guys, look at this skin that just came out on
Wait, let me
Fortnite.
see. What's happening?
That skin's some sort of cat.
It looks like a cat from far away.
Okay.
I know, it's not a cat. You're making fun of this.
Alright.
Oh, where should I put
What do
my-
I smell? Do I smell McDonald's?
Did she get us McDonald's and rain?
Oh no, I think after this video.
Jay, come up here. Come where I am. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping.
I'm
Yeah,
running,
here.
I'm running, I'm... Whoa!
Whoa. Okay, anyway, come back to me! No!
There's a piano. Okay, I'm coming.
It's not the piano. I don't know what this green thing is. Do you know? I'm behind the tree. I'm behind the tree, dude.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah, what's this green thing? Look up. Look up. Oh, where is it? Oh, it only shows up on my screen. Okay, let's see.
Oh, there's a bunch of bombs by us to run.
Oh, God. I don't know what happened to me. Oh,
Wait,
no,
did
I
you-
teleported to the wrong place. That's not good.
Wait, did you just die?
No, I teleported.
That's worse.
Why is that bad? That's what I put on. That's why that's the green.
Oh my gosh!
I'm telling you about.
Please don't die. Myself and I just wasted so much health. So much health!
Okay, I just put my teleportation thing in there. Bob's coming for
Wait,
me.
you bought teleportation?
Yeah, I bought that. I got that.
I have speed.
I have teleportation. We teleport places. It's cool.
I don't know where to go, I tell you.
Oh no, someone died. I saw them. Witness.
Yeah, I'm gonna do speed, my speed.
I think just in the sky.
I can't believe I'm looking at the shop
Oh
right
God,
now.
Oh God.
I can't believe I'm actually looking at the shop when I'm about to die. Yup. Movement, offense, defense, movement.
I'm still at 100 health.
Unlocked truth. What's that? No, I'm doing a video. No. I just had a hot dog. We're making a YouTube video. Anyways, oh my gosh, we're trapped in ice.
You are?
Yeah, and I just lost
You
some
are.
health.
I'm still at 100 health.
I'm still at 55.
Wow, I'm dead.
Good accomplishment, Bridget. You're dead.
Can I please say a 1 because I died at 0?
Sure, we'll say you won.
I died at 0.
That's instant chicken nuggets. Can you get it now? I'm hungry. I mean, yes.
I'm both. I don't really care.
Ah.
Dude, you didn't die in my face.
That went further.
Because you're cool. Okay, we're at the park. Regular day at the park. What is that thing on our faces? I don't know. Okay, what's that? I don't know. It's the regular day at the park.
I keep pressing the wrong button. I'm doing the dead button, and I'm trying to use my special move.
Oh my god, there's a bomb right there.
Guys, tell me if you want to see more bomb survival. I was thinking of doing a death run video.
Oh yeah. Bomb.
Do 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 do
I know
do
it's
do
stuck.
do.
When did I jump down here?
Ow! Oh my! Oh, instant cheese. Ow! Ow! What the? This guy just exploded me.
Sorry, sir.
No, I'm not sorry. That guy. Look at my. And that's how I died, everyone.
There's a bomb.
Let's spectate. Oh, I'll do it. I just need to do it. Oof, oof, whatever. Why, Bridget, you just exploded with karma.
Listen to me, people.
Okay.
Ow, 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 stop, ow. Jeez.
I just oofed her.
I saw your character came up on my screen.
And then I was like, ooh. McDonald's! Oh, that was copyright. Crap. It's like,
What if it is? Then you're dead, boy.
no, I just owe lots
We're doing
and lots of monies. Here we are. Bridget dies at the last 000 again. That's Bridget.
No,
Isn't it?
no, it's not. I usually survive these things.
Daughter, you pushed me out, man.
Ow.
Oh God, there's a big circle ball.
Yeah, Megana. No, give me that soccer ball. Give me it. I said give me the soccer ball. I need it. I need it. Okay, I need it. Stupid.
I won't play like this. No, that's actually uncomfortable. I'm gonna get off.
I'm at the top of the building.
Gosh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Gosh, Bridget.
What?
Gosh, jeez, my beezy.
What?
Guys, also there will be no intro to this video.
There's a new video coming?
No, there's going to be no intro to this video
Oh.
because our original intro, it's been so long since I've posted a new video and it got deleted. So we're going to have to make a new intro. Let me know down below if it should be a gaming intro, like from an intro from a game like Roblox, Minecraft, Fortnite, or should it be an intro like just a normal intro that says my name, the YouTube name around the screen, or should it be
music?
or should it be an intro, a vlogging intro, kind of, if you know what I mean.
I think it'd just be you because you do a whole bunch of different things.
I think it should just a gaming video, but it'll be my face camera. I don't know. You guys will have to.
I think
You guys will have to.
no.
Let's let the fans
Okay.
decide. Fans decide. Leave a comment down below on what I should do.
I honestly think you should
Me too, but it's whatever the fans think.
Then what about the fans that don't want it? Then they will unsubscribe from you.
Bridget, lots of YouTubers say, hey, so what do you guys think? Comment down below, and they choose one, but like 80 million others.
Oh, okay. I don't do those videos. I see a giant pizza hanging off from the edge of the building. I have to eat it. It's pizza, you know. Giant pizza.
I'm actually scared.
Well, that's not the giant pizza. That's another pizza. I want the pizza. Oh, I fell. Yeah, pizza. Yay!
Stranger Things.
Whoa!
Hey, Bridget.
What?
Today we're going to do a vlog. It's going to be a challenge. Maybe not Gummy vs. Real. Maybe we'll film that. But we should do what's on our phone challenge. Have you seen that? Like what's your last selfie? What's your last text message? Crazy. Oh my gosh. Lag and health loss.
No lag.
Guys,
I'm just
I'm
lagged.
gonna leave the game, Bridget. You can finish this, but we're about to.
Just lagged, dude.
Yeah, but we have to end the video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. So, I'm gonna put it full screen.
My phone is hot. Oh my god.
Gosh. So,
Hi.
yeah. So we'll see you guys. I'm gonna get some food and I'll get you right back. You guys, comment down. I'm back. I got some food. So you guys, comment down below what videos we. Oh my gosh, Bridget, come here.
What?
Look at this.
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh my gosh.
To be continued.